Good morning, guys. I hope everyone had a great night. All right, let's do this.
Det var första gången vi möttes, våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen?
Let's go to the H4.
Då du vet det fallas. All in eller bromspackar på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby, ja du är allian. Du är försiktig baby, och du gav mig en pass. Det är 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp mig baby, ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon rosen och
So for GJ, we had actually needed support to be formed. The same thing with EJ, we needed support to be formed. So AJ, we got our support here, and we got our resistance here. So we'll see what happens today. You guys remember the NZD-JPY trade yesterday? It eventually played out nice, at least. Eventually went for 30 pips yesterday. So AJ was a good trade as well with the re-entry. So except for EJ yesterday, EJ played us again yesterday. Anyways, yep, I trade NAS 100, but I do that on my own. I don't do it on live. Pay for this freaking The downtrend on AJ and NZDJPY just looks nasty as hell.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone that lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. All I want is a love. All I want is a feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah, binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. All I want is a love. All I want is so give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. All I want is a it's someone to love. Yeah. Someone. No.
CJ traffic looked nice to the downside, but we have CAD news coming up in the next 30 minutes, so it's definitely gonna affect CAD. So we'll see what happens though. For now, we can say we kind of have a support that's been created here right now. So gonna put that right there for now. If not for the nails, if we break below this, then we should start coming down. But we have the nails coming up, so we gotta be careful. I don't like the traffic going to the upside here right now on CJ. Prefer the traffic coming down, but we'll see what happens. Where in the world am I from? I'm Nigerian, but I live in the United States. We have USD up. We got called CPI news as well. That's definitely going to affect USD. So we'll see what happens with CJ. Twenty more minutes for CJ news. I mean for Canadian news to drop. So we gotta wait on that. I usually wait after the news, like 2 to 5 minutes, and then see what happens. I also trade before the news, like if it's like 4 to 2 hours before the news, I will check the trade if I see a good setup. But if it's 1 hour before the news, 30 minutes before the news, no, I don't take that. I'm not gonna take that trade. I will just wait for the news after the news. Man, we got a 80 pips potential PP range on CJ. If that happens, that would be amazing. I took GJ sales there in London. I just took it, set up my TP, and went to sleep. And it actually hit TP1 and TP2 when I woke up this morning. I need to turn off my AC, guys. It's too cold this morning.
bara life om igen då. Jag vet inte bara ta din tid. Jag vet inte bara life om igen då. Stay with me. Jag vet inte bara life om igen då. Jag vet inte bara ta din tid. Jag vet inte bara life om igen då. Stay with me. Du lägger till, du är värd för mig. Jag svär mitt liv för runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebeks och öppnar, jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby. Hey, kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet inte bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet inte bara ta din aldrig. Jag vet inte bara life om mig någonsin aldrig. Jag vet inte bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet inte bara ta din aldrig. Jag vet inte bara life om mig någonsin aldrig.
Trying to see what happens. I said it yesterday that if I do go live today, I might not take a trade personally, but we'll see. If the setup looks real good to me, then I'll take it. For example, CJ. If I get a good entry on CJ today after the news, I will take it. Very clean traffic on the H4 time frame, so I will take it. But on the H1, we are the support zone right now, but we kind of have minor minor support / resistance here. We kind of have it over here too as well, but it's nothing major. So if we get a good entry somewhere here below this zone here, then I'll take the trade. But I do like the sells better than the buys on CJ actually. But and also another thing, I'm gonna stay away from buys right here until we break above this support here. Then that's when I'll take buys on CJ. I don't like the traffic over here. So we'll see. We shall see what happens. We got news coming up in 6 minutes. No, I didn't catch this, CJ. But I caught GJ down in London. The CJ move happened actually during New York yesterday, and it just continued all through. But we can see we got this trend line right here and CJ. And we also got this outer trend line on CJ. So we'll see if it's gonna break above this inner trend line. If it breaks above this resistance, it could also break this inner trend line as well. And then maybe price could reject here, reject this resistance here, and start dropping again. We'll see. We'll see what the news does. That's all I'm gonna say. We wait on the result of the news. Nice, Mr. Grantine. GU might go crazy as well because we got CPI news for USD coming up also. GU dropped like 40 pips. One more minute. Oh, news. It's trying to go crazy. Ooh. Boy, this spread on CJ is crazy right now. As soon as the news started, the spread just went crazy on anchor trade. When the news came, the spread on CJ was like 8.9 pips. Now it's down to what, 4.7, 3.5. That's insane. The spread on EJ right now is 3 pips. This is the support right here. It's not there yet. GJ. Man, AJ on NZJP is going crazy. Alright, let's see what happens with AJ. We're gonna get a break and close. We're gonna wait to see that. I'm not taking any impulse entries. EJ book. We anticipated the sales on EJ yesterday. Yes, we just had a bad entry and a tight stop loss. That's why we lost that one yesterday morning. And everything is dropping. What the hell? Everything is dropping, boy. Nice. I might have to pay for my trading view account. I'm sick and tired of them showing me all this ad. How you must have taken the impulse entry, Mario TV. Well, congratulations. I don't take impulse entries over here. Especially not on news. I'm sure impulse entries traders, when this candle initially flipped bullish, they probably took the buys, and now this thing flipped bearish again. I know it's coming down, but if I take the sell, I'm like, okay, let me just take the sell. Well, my stop loss has to be above this week. I'm looking at 50 pips stop loss. So no, I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close and see what happens after that. So all this craziness right now, I'm gonna stay away from it. I'm gonna wait for it to close and see what happens. Oh, you took buys on gold, what happened? It stopped you out? I and it started going your way. Let me see what's going on with good. Ooh, look at NAS. The news dropped it. But NAS was still good because the NAS setup was still good though. Because still at the supply zone, kept on rejecting. And it dropped nice. You got the support here though. Might have found demand over here. I need to go to the higher time frame to see if we had zone. Let me do this. See if we had a zone down here. Let's see some 30-minute, 4-hour. Something real quick. Let's go back to the 5. Okay. Found demand over here. If this thing goes up, we could see, if it keeps going up now, we could see rejection over here. But I don't like trading indices on Fridays either. And I only traded during New York Stock Exchange. Gold is going up nicely. This is definitely the impact of the news. I should trade indices next week. Alright, we'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna create a poll and I want everyone to vote on that poll. Should we trade indices, yes or no? Damn, we only got 26 likes? Oh wow. 27 likes, almost 100 people, 100 of you here, and we only got 26 likes. this is only gonna be NAS 100, guys. Just so you know. Alright, the poll should be up now. And start voting, guys. And we'll go with the majority. So what we'll do, we'll trade one Forex pair and one NAS 100. Or maybe it could be just NAS 100. Damn, majority of you, so far 80%. Okay, 79% of you wants to trade NAS. Well, we got 10 minutes before we can get a potential entry in any of these pairs. Man, NZDJPY yesterday freaking took forever. Took forever. Trends United, I haven't taken any trades. How good rejecting. This thing could still drop.
Especially when she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then maybe girl, you can spend it.
Man, the US economy is trash right now. Recession. We definitely in recession. Gas prices is high. Everything is going up. Here in Texas, gas is almost $5. Where I'm at is currently like $4 and I think $4.55. Man, when this kind of close, AJ could just continue dropping, or we could see a pullback. Okay. So far, 72% of you wants us to start trading NAS. Just understand, you need a decent account size. I'm just telling you guys now so you know. You need a decent account size. So, if we do start trading it next week, if you don't have a decent account size, don't even take the trade. So don't even take it. Everything is reacting to it. JPY Pet is also reacting to it. But I'm surprised CJ is not really reacting to it. So maybe we could still get a good entry for CJ here. Hopefully this candle closes in 5 minutes. Yeah, I know, right? I know, Mr. Grindtime. And it's gonna get worse. Well, now CJ really wants to start moving. Man, I'm gonna need a pullback on AJ. If I don't get it, then it is what it is. Yeah, EJ went down too far here. GJ the same thing. I need some type of pullback. Yeah, the same thing on NJ. I need some type of pullback. So we'll see if we're gonna get it. Some type of pullback and then a nice bearish flip. It will be nice for our entries. So be patient. Yeah, I saw EJ. I just looked at EJ. He's going crazy. Yeah. EJ was the better entry. If I was gonna take impulse without the news, I would have taken this. Decided not to take it because of the news. It's better safe than sorry. because I don't like how Chef JPY moves. That's why I don't trade it. I think it's the only JPY pair I don't trade at all. You'll never see me trade Chef JPY. Never. Never gonna see me trading it. Congratulations, Tony Gold. Yeah, like I said, sweetie, I would have taken the sales to myself if not for the news. CJ really looks like the best setup to me in regards to the JPY pairs where it's at right now. So I'm hoping we get a good entry, even if it means we get a pullback and then a bearish flip. That would be nice. Or if it pulls back a little bit more, then we get a bullish candle and then a bearish flip with a top wick. We're definitely gonna take the sales coming down. So we'll see. Alright, so we'll see. Now we'll see if we're gonna get a bearish flip here. We'll see what happens. You sold good. I hope you waited for a good setup before you took it. hopefully after this news that we got, hopefully we get high volume to no bottom weak, but this thing is too far down. EG almost at the next zone. Man, I'm not even trade GJ today. Nas found demand again. You could have a sell continuation here too, and this thing can just keep going up. Now you just wait for this candle to close. If you get a bullish candle after this close with a nice bottom wick, then we could see a buy continuation back to this support on NAS 100. Because we got clean traffic here. CAD almost flipped bearish, so we're still gonna keep waiting here. We're not in CJ, just so you know. I'm not in. Oh yeah, I agree with you, Trends United. This is the only Friday you guys are gonna see me on live on YouTube. So everyone, don't expect to see me live on Fridays anymore. All right. So we scrap Fridays. Like indices, I don't even mess with it at all on Fridays. At all. Actually, Mondays and Fridays, they're the worst days to trade. But you know, trading on Mondays is better than Fridays. Well, you guys took the sales on CJ already. I didn't call it yet. I didn't call the sales on CJ yet. The way I'm looking at all this, I think CJ is going to be the only trade we're going to take today. And that's okay, because it's Friday anyways, so gee, where's my spread on CJ right now? Let me see. 2 pips. Anchor trade is supposed to have the lowest spread in the market in this industry, but I guess they don't. Why think you guys like this Lele song. That's his name? Or you just being funny? I don't think that's his name. JPY is moving very slow. It's acting just the way NJ acted yesterday. If you took the EJ sales, congratulations to you. Shit, man, this thing went down almost 70 pips. That's impressive. I want to change this song. I'm going to change it real quick. How is the other song on the playlist? Yeah, I don't trade GBP card either. The pairs I trade are JPY pairs and NAS 100. But I've been trading NAS 100 on my own. Even though I haven't traded it in a while. Yo, good morning, Miss Walton. Miss Glove. I can see Jewel is not here today, probably because I told everyone I'm not gonna go live on Fridays anymore. But like I said earlier, after today, I won't be going live on Fridays anymore. Friday sucks. Fridays absolutely sucks. So it's just gonna be Monday to Thursday. Somebody asked me, what am I going to be doing on Fridays if I don't trade during New York session? I said, what do you mean? Shit, I'll be in my bed sleep. That's going to be a 3-day weekend for me. Now, when it comes to Fridays, I'm not saying you cannot win on Fridays, But if you've been in this industry for a while, you will know that Friday absolutely sucks. When you have days and you find out that, let's say Wednesday for example, and you find out that you lose on Wednesdays, you lose more on Wednesdays than any other day, just know you need to scrap that day. That day is not working for you, whatever session it is. That day absolutely does not work for you. And that's what Friday is to me. I lose a lot more on Fridays. Since I started streaming, I mean, the ones that have been following me for a while, they can testify to this. Most of our losses happens on Fridays. Most of our losses, all these losses you see on the screen, majority of them was on Fridays. But last week NFP week was just amazing. We had no losses at all, including Friday. So that's why I said, I'm not saying you cannot win on Fridays, but it just sucks. Just know Friday sucks. Yeah, I don't know why you got in, Azza. I usually tell you guys when it's time to get in. I just had this on here and I said it that, okay, I'm just going to put this on here so I can have, my potential stop loss and where I'm trying to target for my TP1. And well, hopefully this candle still has a lot of time to flip bearish here, so hopefully that happens. Then once we start seeing rejection here, maybe on the H1 and even on the H4, then it probably could be time for CJ to flip bearish. But it's not looking like it at the moment. Yep, that's true. That's true as well, Super Data Wolf. Sometimes you see that happening. Well, time to delete this. It's not looking like it at the moment. Show me some love, guys. Like this stream for me. We got 100 people here. We only got 37 likes. Okay, for almost 50 likes. Show me some love, guys. We just gotta be patient here. Hopefully we're able to take a trade between 8:30 and 9, at least before London close. Hold on, I think London closes in an hour. My time, let me see. No, closes in 2 hours. Okay. Closes in 2 hours. Well, if you're watching me from the UK, correct me if I'm wrong. London session closes in 2 hours, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, you shouldn't have taken the sales as a... You were a little bit impatient on that one. See, at least you still made some money. So did gold drop just like I anticipated? Let me see. Oh shit, excuse my language, guys. Let me see, so where did this rejection come from? Okay, it's like this rejection came from here, from these zones. Supply and demand works well on gold also. But it would be better if you're using it on the lower on the lower time frame, like the 15 and 5 minute. You could have even had it like this, right at this resistance here. You rejected off of it and if you landed on the 5. If you waited for this candle to close, took the sell here. I'm actually anticipating that gold will come back down here. So gold should actually come back to 1826. Yeah, 1830 to between 1830 and 1826. Yeah, that's what gold should do. Even if you miss that, then if you miss the gold from the top here, you could have got in right over here. Just watch and see. You see gold should get back down here. got you, D. And here, that was what I was trying to say to Super Daddy Wolf. At least you made some money. In my country, $40 is what? Shit, I think a dollar is like 500 now. I'm not sure. So let's just say it's 500. In my country, $40 is 20,000. It's 20,000. Why do you think I heard some traders are actually moving away from the United States? And I feel like it's because, when we trade in this market, we get our money in dollars. We get our money in dollars. So if you live in, let's say, I don't know, somewhere in Africa or somewhere in South America, by the time you exchange your dollars to their currency, man, you would have made a lot of money. You could become a millionaire, so man, real fast. For example, if you're a 6-figure trader here in America, if you move to anywhere in South America or Africa, man, you're a multi-millionaire. Multi-millionaire. Shit, in some of these countries, you don't even have to pay taxes either. And you'll be living good. You'll be rolling with the big boys. Oh, I just saw a video the other day where what's his name? Damn, I can't remember his name. I saw his video on YouTube the other day. He moved to Puerto Rico. Damn, why can't I remember his name? Swaggy. Yep, Swaggy. He moved to Puerto Rico. Why do you think he moved to Puerto Rico? Yep, Thailand is another one. So you'll be living large, even though they have some places that looks horrible. But with the amount of money you're gonna have, yeah, you'll be living in the best place. Yeah, so I can see the 10 million mansion. He said he bought. That's what he said. His house is $10 million. I don't know if that's true or not, but if it is true, that house, that if you want to buy that kind of house out here, shit, definitely not 10 million. Looking at triple the price. I don't know if that house is truly worth 10 million. Because for me to buy a $10 million house, that means I have like That means I have at least 100 million in my bank, sitting in my bank account. But then again, I don't know if they pay taxes in Puerto Rico, because there are some things you gotta put into consideration. I don't know how the bills work out there. I don't know if they pay taxes. This kind of closes in 1 minute, so we'll see if it's gonna start dropping now. So we're not in any trades yet. How you said he moved to Puerto Rico for the women? I don't think so. I mean, he's got a woman, and they've been together for a long time. I don't even think he's ever gonna leave her. Plus, they're expecting a child. Okay, CJ wants to keep playing now. GJ trying to flip bearish. Come on, Cad. Just freaking flip and stop playing. I like the traffic on CJ to the left. That's why I really want to check this CJ trade. I mean, AG does not look too bad, but it's too close to this. It's too close to this zone here. Let's see. Is it? I don't know about CJ. I mean AJ. Alright. Come on now, start dropping. If GJ continues coming down, that would be nice too. But just want to take CJ. Come on, man. Come on, CJ, stop playing. Drop. Gold is dropping some more. It flipped bullish again. That's crazy. No, not yet. I was just about to, but then it started flipping. When I get in, I'll let you guys know. See what this looks like on the H1. We're gonna watch this thing on the 1 hour time frame. I was only to be like NCTJPY. Okay, let me delete this so you guys won't think I took GJ. places like this, if you're okay with this big stop loss, man, the stop is just way too big here, man. If you're waiting for this candle to flip bearish, shit, almost 60 pips stop loss, man. But sometimes you might have to have a big stop loss like that sometimes. Especially trading pairs like GJ. Just too volatile. Come on, CJ, just flip. Let's see what it does on the H1. Up top, bearish wick. Man, why am I finding it to spell yeah? Alright, this is what I'm waiting for. Hopefully we're gonna see it happening soon enough. How good is still dropping? Yep, I said it. Because of all this to the left, that's why. Good is just like basically go in the direction it would have, went in the first place if not for the news. Now I don't know why it's rejecting here. Do we have it? Oh, okay. Alright. I didn't see this. Yeah, now I know why it's rejecting there. Okay. I missed this zone over here. Yep, so it's currently rejecting that. Oh, what the hell? Didn't mean to do that. It's quietly rejecting that. So even though it's rejecting this, my anticipation is it was gonna come down here. But even if you cut this from here, this was still a good, this was like 74 pips. No, it actually got over here, almost 90 pips. It's a very good move. And if you cut it from the top, let's say from here, man, 140 pips. Last time I traded gold, that thing dropped like crazy for 150 pips. That was crazy. What the hell? What's this? Oh, that. Oh, not found. You can tell it's gonna be a slow day after all the craziness of the news. Now everything has died down because we got another red folder news. Well, I don't think this is going to affect the market, the consumer sentiment, but we'll see. That news is in 12 minutes, so we'll see if it's going to affect the market or not. I need to get me Go to water real quick and I'll be right back. If you haven't smashed the like button, smash the like button for me, guys. Smash it real quick. Well, GG is dropping. Damn, why is CJ tripping like this? Oh man. Well, this candle closes in 4 minutes, so we'll see what happens. So, I think EJ is gonna keep dropping. GJ should actually keep dropping also. I don't know what's going on with the AJ, CJ, and NJ. Well, GJ dropping. The 1 hour about to flip. If this 1 hour candle flips, it's over with GJ. It should definitely drop. If this 1 hour candle flips bearish before it closes, it should definitely drop if it flips. Your stops will be too big, but it should drop. GU dropping nice. Gee, what's good doing now? Alright, good should be going back up now. It's found demand. Good should go back up. Zones, more potential zones here, here, and here. Those are your potential zones. If it wants to keep going up, If this candle flips bullish, gold is going up. Oh, but it's dropping instead. Oh man, why would this candle open with no top wick? What's the result of the nails? Yeah, GJ should keep dropping actually. This is not the setup I was looking for, man. At least not yet. Well, oh, get in the cells. Take the cells, guys. Take the cells. Bearish flip on the 4 hour. So this entry is based off the 4 hour. Alright. So we shall see what happens. Sales active on CJ. Hopefully he just freaking act right. I don't see no reason why he wouldn't, because we got a nice 4 hour bearish flip here. Just I get here. My TP1 is actually for 35 pips, yeah. So we'll see. We got a nice 4 hour bearish flip here, as you guys can see. That's why I said you guys should get in. So we shall see what happens. See no reason why this CJ shouldn't be a good trade, but shit. Hopefully the market doesn't act crazy. basing this trade off of the 4 hour. This trade is based off the 4 hour. Even though on the H1 it has no top wick, 30-minute no top wick, 15 no top wick. Now 5-minute is pushing down, but the 4 hour nice bearish flip, just very nice, just too good to pass. I mean, I'm just gonna say I'm pretty confident. I'm not gonna say 100% because nothing is guaranteed in this industry, but I'm pretty confident. That's all I'm gonna say. We're currently at what? 12, no, not 12. We're currently at like 7 pips or so. 6-7 pips right now. I don't send signals to the free Discord. If that's what you're talking about. You hit 10 pips on CG already? Oh, you must have got in before I called it then. I secure profit at 10 pips. But I don't just secure, I take partials as well. So when I come to the market, my goal is always to get between 10 to 20 pips. That's what I do. And whatever happens after that, it happens. So I secure, take partials at 10 pips, and I leave a runner. Absolutely. That's what I do, Martincio. Yeah, I knew EJ was gonna draw. I was just waiting on CJ. I hope I made the right decision. I hope I made the right decision waiting on CJ. Ten pips smashed. 10 pips smashed. Actually 12. Very nice. Most stops to break even. I just took partials right here at 15 pips. Let's see some W's, guys. Some W's. Well, I made the right decision waiting on CJ. Nice 15 pips secured on CJ. W's, and be nice to me and like this stream, guys. Just be nice. That's all I'm asking. Now hopefully this thing keeps dropping.
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing here?
Well, we have a win today, even though it's Friday.
But what's standing in my way? He doesn't mind at all. He won't want you sucker. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He won't want you sucker. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together. Give myself the pressure.
I hope you guys understand the reason what I explained earlier, the reason why I took this trade. I hope you guys understood what I said.
I know he's bad for me. So what's standing in my way? It's unbelievable, insecure, but I hope this is real, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He won't want you sucker. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He won't want you sucker. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.
Oh man, sorry Tamid. Sorry to hear that.
Give myself the pressure. Should I let him go?
Hopefully it keeps dropping for us here.
Should I let him go?
Yeah, I knew EJ would drop. I knew GJ would drop also. I just didn't really like the traffic here to the left, because we would have been on GJ at this previous 30-minute candle. That was where we would have entered. Well, anyways, at least we was able to take a trade. Just one. I called one. I only really caught one. The rest, I was just talking about it. I was just talking about it, giving my analysis, my opinions. But from the beginning, I'm like, I really want to trade CJ because I like the traffic to the left. Because in my opinion, CJ had the best, cleanest traffic to the left. That's why I was waiting on CJ. This CJ is actually was a 1 to 2 because my TP is for about 35 pips here. So because of the broker spread, it might be like, I don't know, 32, 33 or 30 pips for you depending on your spread. I think my spread on CJ when I took it was like 2 pips or so. Or maybe 1.5, I can't remember what it was. Well, today was a good day. Oh no, O squared, this entry was definitely not a impulse entry because I took my trade excuse me, based off of this 4-hour bearish flip. When I saw it, that was why I took it. Because remember, before I told you guys to get in, I was like, oh man, no, why would this candle open without the top wick? So I started, I went to the 5 minute, 15, they all looked the same. Went to the 1 hour, it looked the same. Then I went to the 4, saw the nice bearish flip, and I told you guys to get in. And I actually took this trade myself. I took it myself, but shit, that doesn't mean I'm going to be trading on Fridays. Oh, you mean you're praying it keeps dropping? Yeah. At least, worst case, at least smash TP1 at least. Since we took it off the 4-hour bearish flip, hopefully it's gonna keep dropping. Hopefully it's just gonna do the same thing it did here to the left. So hopefully it does the same thing it did here to the left. That would be very nice. That would be very nice. I was saying yesterday that JPY pairs the long overdue for a downtrend. Long overdue for a downtrend. All the trades we took yesterday, they were actually good trades, but I guess our entry was just bad, especially on EJ. That was the only trade we eventually lost yesterday. Are you guys smashing the like button? Alright guys, get us to 100, 5 more likes. Or maybe even 110. I'm waiting for the day we get 200 viewers here. That would be nice.
You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that.
Alright.
No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah.
What? No, you're kidding, Richard. You had what? 10 pips spread? Oh yeah, you need another broker. You need to ditch your broker and look for another one. That's crazy. Trader's Domain. I've never heard of that broker before. How Richard Tamid said your broker is scamming you. Yeah, if the next 30-minute candle pulls back, hopefully we don't get stopped out. Because we might see that happening because even though on the lower time frame here, this bearish candle has no top wick, and who knows, it could just keep dropping. But I'm actually anticipating that it's gonna keep dropping because what we have on the 4-hour simply signifies that we have a rejection here. Price tried to go back up, just couldn't, so we have a rejection at this support here. So we should keep dropping, even if it pulls back. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. So it should keep dropping though. It should keep dropping. Yeah. Yeah, I knew GJ was gonna drop. I knew it. Okay, next 30-minute candle is trying to pull back. Hopefully it keeps dropping so we can at least smash TP1. Yeah, based off the 4 hour, the 1 hour, if we just look at the 1 hour, the minor support is right here. Minor support is right here. And if it comes back up and we test that, we're gonna be taken out. Because that's where our entry is. If it comes back, we test it, we'll be out of the trade. So hopefully that does not happen. Hopefully that doesn't happen there. No, the minor support is actually at 104.802. Okay. Alright, it's not looking good. Hold on, I'm probably stopped out already. Oh no, I'm still in it. We're still in. We're still in.
In the morning, you got me up, all 'cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, it's just to make up, I know you want me touch.
Huh?
You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom, bada boom, bada.
Alright, stopped out of CJ. Alright, we stopped out of CJ, they are pulling back. It's like they're pulling back a lot today. Well, at least we got to make some money on a Friday. Not bad. Now, you know what? If you feel like, okay, I'm not done trading for the day, just now, look at, no, not the 1 hour, look at the 30-minute, because this candle still has, it could still flip bearish. Let me delete this. This candle could still flip bearish. Or if you have a rejection here at 104.802, or a rejection at this support here, if the next candle gives you a nice bearish candle with a top wick, you can take the sell and just I'll keep riding it that way. Alright guys, yeah, I knew GJ was gonna drop. We just didn't take that one. It ended up being you know, a better trade eventually, because you still be in GJ right now. Even the 4 hour flipped bearish. If that was what you waited for, and GJ, you know, stops just above this wick, there's a big stop loss. Still something. You still at least know that, you know, it's a valid trade. So anyways guys, majority of you said we should start trading as 100 next week, and then we're gonna start next week starting from Monday. And oh, like I said earlier, if you know you don't have a decent account size, and honestly, if you have less than $1,000, don't even think about it. Do not even think about it. That's my own opinion, but you know, you can do whatever you want to do. You can choose to take the last trade that I'm gonna start calling next week. If you have a small account, you know, it's your decision, it's your money, not mine. So that's that. So guys, I'll see you guys on Monday, same time, New York session, 6:30 a.m. CST. Thank you guys for hopping on. God bless you all. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, guys.